Well, if they were going to be negative for a long time, you better own equities, or you better own something other than debt. I mean, it's remarkable what's happened in the last 10 years. I've been wrong in thinking that you could really have the developments you've had without inflation taking hold. But we have 120 odd billion. Well, we have some almost very high percentage in Treasury bills, some and some just in cash. But those Treasury bills are paying us virtually nothing now. They're a terrible investment over time, but they are the one thing that when opportunity arises, it will arise at a time, and maybe the only thing you can look to pay for those opportunities is the Treasury bills you have. I mean, the rest of the world may have stopped. And we also need them to be sure that we can pay the liabilities we have in terms of policyholders over time, and we take that very seriously. So if the world turns into a world where you can issue more and more money and have negative interest rates over time, I'd have to see it to believe it, but I've seen a little bit of it. I've been surprised. So I've been wrong so far. I do not think that I don't see how you can create I would say this: if you can have negative interest rates and pour out money and incur more and more debt relative to productive capacity, you'd think the world would have discovered it in the first couple thousand years rather than just coming on it now. But we will see. It's probably the most interesting question I've ever seen in economics. Is can you keep doing what we're doing now? And we've been able to do it. The world's been able to do it for now a dozen years or so. But we may be facing a period where we're testing that hypothesis that you can continue it with a lot more force than we've tested it before.